as being a citizen of India, of course, I don't want to get myself, into any illegal act. That is not. I want to be a good citizen of India, which is not allowed in India. Of course, I will not do that. But when it was presented to us, it was told to us, shown the papers of agreement, that okay, this is mentioned, this has been legal. This is mentioned, this has been legal. Okay, there is no such anything like censor in web series. How there is censor in movies, how there is censor in YouTube, in other apps. There was no censorship mentioned in apps. Why there were no such censorship in web series?
So that's the problem, Raj Kadam, that this is operating in a legal grey area, because if you look at the law in India, first and foremost, viewing sexually explicit material in private places is not illegal. However, if you go by POSCO, which is the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, then watching, possessing, downloading child pornography is a crime. Under Section 354C of the IPC, Section 66E of the IT Act, you've got capturing and circulating videos violating the privacy of a girl or a woman. That's a crime. Section 67 of the IT Act prohibits the production, distribution, transmission, publication of obscene material in electronic form. But websites like Pornhub, which are registered abroad, don't come under Indian law, and therefore Mr. Kundra can claim, or at least that he'll try in court, that he was operating in a legal grey area.
Exactly.
See, Rahul ji, question is to me.
Yes, Mr. Kadam.
Yeah, Rahul ji, what you said is right, but one important point I would like to raise here, and some of the important information I may reveal tomorrow. See, this pornographic content about this case has been launched in February. But on the ground reality, action has taken place after 6 months. The question number one, why 6 months delayed? Who were there who was trying to protect Mr. Kundra? What was the reason? We have to focus on this issue. Why when the FIR for this pornographic content has been launched in February, why 6 months delayed by the Mumbai police or Maharashtra government? That is the first question. And I may reveal some of the information tomorrow, Rahul. This is a very serious matter. One is pornographic content, that is a serious matter. And the other hand is the cheating racket. That is also a very important, serious matter. And he has been using his celebrity wife status to cheat middleman. It's a middleman's money who have invested.
Okay, now that's the problem. Nupur, you've been defending some of Mr. Kundra's actions, but this is a very serious charge that even though he was a London-based businessman to start with, him using his association with his wife Shilpa Shetty, using the image of Prime Minister Modi to suggest that this is kosher, legal, somehow vocal for local, and doing illegal things in the garb of that is surely something that needs to be investigated.
Yes.
Absolutely, and the investigation is taking place, and I'm sure Crime Branch will come out with open facts. But let me say, Raj Kundra is not from the Bollywood industry. He is married to a Bollywood star, and obviously the entire family is being affected with such kind of accusations and allegations. But the entire film industry doesn't become rotten and doesn't become a gutter word just because of few people's actions. The entire film industry does not only consist of stars or heroines or actors and superstars. It also consists of so many technicians and cast and crew who come from very small, poor background. I think about 5 to 7 crore people work in the film industry.